Mehwish and Jahangir Siddiqui Foundation is a charitable, not-for-profit organization. We are primarily a self-funded grant maker that works nationwide across Pakistan. MJSF was established to address challenges related to poverty through sustainable development across the areas of education, healthcare, social enterprise, and disaster relief. Our vision is to build an educated, healthy, and prosperous society with dignity and honor for all people. Our 4 mandates are education, healthcare, social enterprise, and disaster relief. Education. Our broad focus is on mainstream, special, and higher education, as well as technical and vocational training programs. Healthcare. We look to upgrade existing infrastructure within healthcare facilities by constructing specialized wards in hospitals and making financial contributions to those institutions that serve some of the poorest people in our nation. Our healthcare teams run some of the largest medical camps nationwide, addressing eminent issues such as skin diseases, eye care, and maternal and child care. All treatments and medical procedures are provided free of cost. Social enterprise. This is a fast-growing area for MJSF, and we have always displayed a long-term commitment to changing the way Pakistan fights poverty. We strive to influence traditional charity by approaching low-income people as part of the solution, considering businesses as an important tool for change and insisting on transparency. We believe that grants create dependency, and to alleviate poverty, the ultimate solution must be projects that are economically productive and sustainable. Disaster relief. Over the past decade, we have been a direct responder during times of humanitarian crisis. We mobilize all our resources to quickly provide relief to those affected. In 2005, the earthquake that took place in Kashmir and our northern areas. In 2008, the Swat IDP crisis, where we collaborated closely with the government and UN humanitarian agencies. From 2010 onwards, we have faced annual monsoon floods that have caused recurring devastation in Pakistan. In 2014, a famine caused by food insecurity caused scores of natives in the Thar Desert to lose their lives. Walkabout Foundation is a non-profit organization that focuses on funding research to find a cure for paralysis and donating wheelchairs to people in need around the world.
Most of the people are confined in their houses because they don't have wheelchair. Thanks to Walkabout Foundation, Mehwish and Jahangir Siddiqui Foundation and JS Bank for providing this opportunity and sending these wheelchairs.
These customized wheelchairs that we're seeing here today in Pakistan will change the lives of the people who got the devices, and I think that it's an extremely important step towards making a disability less of a hindrance in activity here in Pakistan. So it's wonderful work that they're doing.
And what that shows quite clearly is that there is a need to overcome the barriers, most notably to access.
मैं शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ जेएस बैंक का, महविश एंड जहांगीर फाउंडेशन और स्टेप का स्पेशली कि उन्होंने ये नया इनिशिएटिव लिया।
महविश जहांगीर सिद्दीकी फाउंडेशन है, मैं इन तमाम लोगों का शुक्र अदा करता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ये व्हीलचेयर प्रोवाइड किया।
After getting the wheelchair now, I am very able to move independently and I can go anywhere.
और ये अल्लाह आप लोगों को अजर दे, जो लोग आप एक इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो कि इसकी मेरे पास स्वाय दुआ के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं।
अब जो मॉडल आया है उसमें हमें और ज़्यादा खुशी आई है, उसमें बड़ा चेंज आया। मस्कुलर डिस्ट्रॉफी के लिए भी कंफर्टेबल है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के लिए भी, सेरिब्रल पाल्सी के लिए भी और पोलियो के लिए भी।
ये जनूबी पंजाब में डिसेबल पर्सनस की मुश्किलात कम करने में बहुत मामून साबित होंगी।
ये तमाम व्हील चेयर्स मेयार के लिहाज से, टेक्निकलिटी के लिहाज से बहुत आला क्वालिटी की व्हील चेयर्स हैं।
स्पेशल पर्सनस की ज़िंदगी में एक बहुत बड़ी तब्दीली और बहुत बड़ी बेहतरी लाने के लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेप है।
बाहर से व्हील चेयर्स मंगवाई जो कि बिल्कुल डिसेबल पर्सनस के साइज़ के मुताबिक थी। सबसे बड़ा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी मैं माविश एंड जहांगीर सदीक फाउंडेशंस का, क्योंकि उनके ताउन के बगैर शायद हम लोग ये कभी भी ये व्हील चेयर्स पाकिस्तान नहीं ला सकते थे।
I like this wheelchair very much. It's very good for me and for disabled like me. And I think this project should be continued more.